mostly you see that rainfall, flooding, waterlogging in the metros becomes the focus. But remember, there are 84 people, those who have died because of the floods in Assam. And this is happening in midst of the corona crisis. This story also shows you how every year, year after year, the governments, successive governments have failed to bring relief to the people who face life and death situation every monsoon. Take a look at this report by my colleague Asutosh.
Roads cut off, agricultural land submerged, tens of thousands of homes underwater. Assam's flood woes are unending.
This is not a lake or a pond, but this is an agricultural land area just 25 kilometers from the capital city, Guwahati, in Kamrup district. The Rajabadi looks like a submerged, totally submerged. So the farming land, the commercial area, the brick land, and also the residential places are completely submerged.
These villagers from Rajabadi village are among more than 3.5 million people in 26 districts who have been forced to shift to relief camps.
कितना मुश्किल है आप लोगों के लिए इस समय सिचुएशन?
बहुत मुश्किल है। इसमें अब हम लोग का रास्ता नहीं है ना, घर में पूरा इतना जल हो गया, कैसे रहेगा अभी?
तो कैसे लेके जाते हैं बच्चों को?
नौका से चलता है, हम लोग चला नौका से करता है। डर लग रहा है तो अब बहुत डर लग रहा है।
आपका घर कहाँ था पहले?
हमारा घर उधर है, जंगल के पास, वो घास के नीचे है। तो यहाँ पर हम लोग पानी उठाए, घर में नाव सब नहीं है, तो हम लोग यहाँ पर आके सहाय मिला, रह रहा है।
कितने दिन आप रहेंगे ऐसे यहाँ पे?
अभी जितना दिन पानी नहीं कमेगा, सूखेगा, तो इतना दिन रहना पड़ेगा।
With their villages inundated and belongings lost, they are now completely dependent on the government.
आज तो पानी कमती नहीं हो रहा है, थोड़ा रुका हुआ है। अगर इसका बाद और ज्यादा आएगा तो और पानी आएगा तो और मुश्किल बढ़ जाएगा। आदमी यहाँ खाने का पानी के लिए बहुत ज्यादा तकलीफ है। और कोरोना का वजह से आपको धरिए कोई भी सब यहाँ का गरीब आदमी, खेती बाड़ी करने वाला आदमी, तो वो लोग कोई काम पे नहीं जा पा रहा है, उसमें बाढ़ आ गया तो वो लोग का हालत बहुत सारा खराब है।
It's not just humans who have suffered. In the Kaziranga National Park, many wild animals, including 9 rhinos, have died so far due to the floods.
Around 108 animals so far died. That includes 9 number of rhinotos and 136 number of animal we so far rescued it. And this death case may increase because water level is receding. So we are doing the survey of all the areas.
Year after year, it's the same story being repeated in Assam. The floods come, the poor lose everything. Once the water recedes, they return to somehow rebuild their homes.
This woman and the child, they are in the water because they need to go to market to bring their daily household and whatever they require for the daily survival. But this situation in Assam comes every year due to rising level of Brahmaputra. The life comes for standstill for almost 3 to 4 months during the rainy season. As far as relief is concerned, government does provide, but this is called life and their struggle in the state of Assam when monsoon hits its state and rain makes life difficult.
With Ashutosh Mishra in Assam Bureau Report, India Today.
Let's quickly go across to Asutosh Mishra, who is reporting from the ground in Assam. Asutosh, a quick word about the relief operations today. You spoke to the Chief Minister as well. How is the situation now?
Well, it's very grim. It's very grim. And even, out of those 25 districts of Assam which are almost submerged, there are still, raining in many areas. So that is unlikely to bring any relief. What we know, the Chief Minister declared that around 84 people have lost life only due to the flood, other than the 26 who lost their life in the landslide area in different parts of Assam. Clearly, the NDRF and SDRF are putting their best. There are many relief camps on the embankments or the highlands in the flood-affected areas or in the low-lying areas have been made. But clearly that looks inefficient at the moment. However, the Chief Minister himself visiting villages to villages, point to point, meeting people, extending all his best support. Yesterday, in fact, the Prime Minister Modi also spoke to the Chief Minister Sarbananda Sonowal.
Okay.
But at the moment, situation literally looks very grim. In fact, at the embankment, yeah, go ahead, Ankit.
Right. All right, Asutosh, keep a close eye on this. On India Today, we focus on the entire country, and this is our continuous effort from Bihar, from Assam. We'll keep a very sharp eye on the coronavirus crisis and the flood situation there as well. Now,
hello everyone, this is Rahul Kamal here. Hope you enjoyed this video. For the latest news and analysis, like and subscribe the India Today YouTube channel, and don't forget to press the bell icon to stay updated.